Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am taking out the Spicy Glow basil and this other basil. I can't remember the exact variety, but I am taking them out of the Hope Garden hydroponic gardening system, and I'm going to attempt to repot them into their own pots. This Spicy Glow basil constantly outgrows this hydroponic gardening system. The Spicy Glow basil, I would describe it as small but mighty. I have chopped this thing down like probably 10-20 times since planting it in this, and it always comes back. It's such a robust, happy little basil, and it's delicious. We've dried it, used it in cooking. I dried some and put it into my chicken feed. So I mean, we've made really good use of this, but I'm ready to start some other seeds in this system. So I'm going to try to repot these two. Hopefully they survive. These plants have what you call water roots, so it might take them a while to adjust to being in actual soil. The roots that you grow in water versus the roots that you grow in soil, they are different. And sometimes when you transfer from water to soil, it can be difficult for your plants to acclimate. I experienced that with propagating houseplants, and then with propagating herbs, I am assuming it's going to be a similar situation where you just got to give it time. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's go ahead and get started. After I'm done, I'm going to clean out this system and prepare it for the next set of seeds. Ugh, that's gross right here. Ugh. This oregano didn't make it for too long. So I went and got some soapy water to soak these baskets in. Hopefully we can get some of that grime off of there. Go ahead. And then these are leftover sponges, which are going to go to the trash. I've ordered new sponges to start off my next set of seeds with. Ugh, this stuff is gross. Get all that gook off of there. Alrighty, there's that. Let me get my trash bag. Alright, so while these are soaking, let's go ahead and see if we can pull these plants out of this system without damaging the roots too much. How do we even start? I wonder if I can turn this. No. Alright, I'm going to start with this smaller basil right here. Come on. Oof, look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oof. don't know if I can get this all the way out without damaging quite a bit of this. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so this is what we have left. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this plant out of this basket without damaging the basket. So I'm just going to leave it and plant it right in this basket. Here's what it looks like inside. Super gross. So now that I've got the hydroponic gardening system soaking, I'm going to pot up my herbs. I'm going to start with the spicy glow basil, and I'm going to put it in this terracotta pot. This pot, I don't know, it might be a little bit big, but I don't really have anything at the moment for this to go into. So this is going to have to be it. Mess. So I've got that halfway full with soil. And let's see. Yeah, I think this will be a good pot for this. So let's go ahead and get some more dirt. So I want a soil that can hold some moisture, but also offers decent drainage for this spicy glow basil. So I'm just going to add a bit of perlite to my basic soil mix. The basic soil that I like to use is Pro Mix in the red and black bag. So I've got my perlite. Now I'm going to add some worm casings for food. So I'm just going to center this as best as I can and then scoop the soil around the roots. Okay, this one's all done. Look how pretty that looks. Now it's time to pot up the second basil. I'll put this right in the center, just like that. So now that I've got both of the basils potted up, what's going to happen, I'm going to water them thoroughly, and then I'm going to put them on my grow shelves behind the camera, and then I'm going to keep a really close eye on them. Like I said, transferring plants from water to soil can be traumatic for them. If they experience issues, dropping leaves, leaves turning yellow and brown, spotting, like leaf spot, like whatever, I know that I've just done something dramatic to them, and I know that that is likely the cause of the issue. If I start noticing that, okay, this plant is like going to die, I'm going to harvest what I can from it and dry it and use it, and then just, you know, call it a day. I am planning to start herbs and other plants here soon for my spring and summer garden. So it's not a big deal if I lose these, but I would love to keep them going. I would love to keep especially this spicy globe basil going. It's such a tidy plant, like it's just so compact and gorgeous. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this plant watered. I'm gonna show you guys my water down here in the basement. So right here is my bucket of water. This water is collected from our dehydrator here in the basement. So this water is going to be super good for plants, for starting seeds, for house plants, anything. So if you have a dehumidifier in your house, consider storing that water and using it to water your plants. It will be better than water straight from the tap. So here it is. I just keep it all in this bucket. And what I've done, I gotta get a better system, but I just come and I take a cup full and water my plant. So I got this pretty clean, not all the way clean. I didn't want to use anything too harsh on it, so I just did like a little bit of dish soap and water and then like scrub the crap out of this thing. But it looks pretty good. Let's see. Here's what it looks like. That's pretty clean. It does have some staining still, but for the most part, it's sterile enough to start a new batch of seeds in. So I'm gonna allow this system to air dry at least 24 hours because there's some nooks and crannies that I couldn't get into, and then it also has this cord that I'm not sure if we got water in here or what, but I don't want to have any sort of electrical issues because water got in there. So I'm gonna let this dry for 24 hours before replanting it. I will do a new video when we plant this up again, and I have an idea of the type of seeds that I want to start next in this. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys stick around for that. Now I'm going to put this up on the grow shelf and then we're done. This up here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.